everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save effect used on Instagram Reels. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps. And after this, if you wanna save effect used on Instagram, you just click on the Reels icon at the bottom. You can search this one. This is the effect at the Reels. You can click on it, and after this, if you wanna save this effect, you just click on the save icon, this one. The effect, this effect, the name is hide. You can click on it, and after this you can go back and then click on a profile icon at the bottom. I'm sorry, in here you can click on this one, the plus icon at the top, and now you can click on the story and this one, and in here you can see this is the effect that you can save on the Reels. So that's how to save effect used on Reel Instagram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.